to run this template, there is some restriction as it's working on a programming language. There is a two restrictions. One, your image URL should be a valid URL. Valid URL means when you copy that URL in your Chrome browser, it will display a image. If it display an error message or don't display any image, then it's not a valid URL. So I need a valid URL. I will show you what is a valid URL. So now I go to flat icon and I want to capture, I want a cat icon. So click that cat icon and PNG, and right click in my mouse and copy image address. So the image address is copied, and if I paste in a browser, it will display an image. So it's a valid URL. So go to my Excel sheet and I can paste here. Now this is a valid image URL. Okay, you can use here a local URL also. Local URL, that means if you have downloaded any image or icon in your PC. So I will show you. Let's click that cat and always select the 512. Okay, and then click that PNG icon and free download. So it will download in your PC. I already download and store in my PC in desktop and in icon folder. Okay, now so how I have to copy this image address? It's go to properties, that means C user Papu desktop icon, and I have to give a 1/ and cat and dot the image extension. This is a image in .png, or you can there is a easy process. So select this image and copy path, click that, so it will copy it in a clipboard. Now go to your Excel sheet and paste here, paste. Okay, now it's a local URL. So fetching information, this Excel, go to your C user Papu desktop and cat.png. It's a local URL and that's a online URL. So the first restriction is your image URL should be a valid URL, and the second restriction is if you working on a 50 card template, then you should fill all 50 cards image URL. So from that, if you empty, if you blank any row in this column, the program will generate an error. So make sure when you run the program or import any data from this Excel sheet, your image URL column should not be blank. Okay, if you are working on a 50, then you have to fill all 50 cards. If you working on if you reduce your 50 to 40, then you have to fill all 40. So if you working on if you working on a 40 card template, then your all 40 rows will be filled with image URL. So if you want to test your template, if you want to test the template and you have a little bit data, So put your data here and fifth, and so you required a all if you are a working on a 50 card template, and if you have a 5 or 6 or 10 data, so fill your data here, and if you fill from 14 data, so the remaining, so the remaining column will blank. So how to fill the remaining? It's very simple. In Excel, go to the last one and go to the corner. See, there is a big plus and it will reduce. When it reduce, just double click in your mouse, it will copy it to all rows. Just double click, it copies it all rows. So now it's fill all the 50 card data. Now you can import your this data, and program will display no error. So two things you have to do. One thing, your image URL should be valid, and second thing, if you are working on a 50 card template, then in image URL column all 50 cards will be filled with your image URL, valid image URL. That's it. Thanks.